Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Buenos dias. Welcome back to McGill's View. And today we're going to be going over the stocks that are moving up this morning. So let's get to it. Let's go see some charts really quick. All right. So the first one in our list, let's start from the top. All right. Is GRTX. Does GRTX have any news? Says therapy after elite's candidate shows median OS of 20-month pancreatic cancer studies. Okay. So some news there. Give me 1 second. Let me share this stream real quick. So, all right. Give me 1 second here. All right. So the next one, VXRT. Let's go see. VXRT. Or let's stay on GRTX real quick. It's gone up to 10 right now. It does next resistance I have. You probably see it here on this trend, 1018. We can break that. We have room to 1117 is the top leading gainer right now. We can see if we can get this break of, yeah, we need to break this right here. Around 1045, we can see 1172. That would be the next target to hit. All right, so that's GRTX. VXRT, oh, straight move up right there from 853 to $10. Let's see what's going on. VXRT to present the World Vaccine Congress in Washington 2021. All right. Nothing spectacular, but I think VXRT probably it's looking to come down. MACD is crawling down. TTM squeeze is losing momentum. You could see on the 3-minute, we're losing momentum as well. So if anything, it could spike break of 10 at the open and then get shorted right back down. So yeah, we are hitting resistance here on the daily, as you can see. So we'll see. We can break $10. We have room to about 1075 next. But it's gone up quite a bit. We'll see if there's any juice left over on VXRT. All right, CLOV. All righty, no news. No news. Okay. So, all right, we have some previous resistance here when it ran the other day, and it hit it already. So, if it can break and hold above that, then we have room to run up to 12 and then 1325. As you can see, this down trend line right there. And if we break above that, we can have 14. But we'll see. Volume has been kind of not the best lately, but it's been market's been kind of tough lately. But we'll get there where we're gonna start going parabolic, especially some penny stocks. But you see the MACD here crossing. We probably will come and test this 1095 if we don't hold VWAP up. But we have been holding VWAP pretty well. You can see there, bounce, bounce, bounce. If we break here, it'll probably come to the 200 EMA. So 200 EMA, yesterday we tried to bounce off of one, and it could not bounce. So being a little bit more cautious today. Buyers are not there, but let's go see the next one. UXIN. UXIN trading below VWAP. Um, no recent news, is just kind of moving from that last previous days. It's just kind of been going up. We had a nice bounce from 124 all the way to 225. So what a move. Okay. And this one kind of U-shaped out, U-shaped breakout right there. And yeah, doesn't look like a great stock to day trade today. Kind of moving uh, sideways below VWAP, kind of having 200 EMA resistance. Looks choppy, but we'll see. We get some momentum. Um, and then we have METX is the last one. METX. Does he have any news? It says it reports a 485% increase in gross billing and a 483 increase in student enrollment um, of its junior ELT business in the first quarter of 2021. So that's a pretty good increase, close to 50%. So not bad. So something you always have to keep in mind is no matter what the report is, you always have to trade the candles. You always have to trade the charts. Sometimes we have great, amazing news, and yet the volume's not there. The charts don't give you a buy signal, and so you just have to hold back. Sometimes you get news that it's all right, not the best news, and you get a real good runner. So let the charts do the talking, and don't base your trading just on the news. You have to look at the charts. So METX, you can see here, we broke this downtrend on the 4-hour. We have room to come to. Uh, we have to break above this $2, and then we can see 210, 220, 230. But yeah, we'll see. MACD getting ready to cross here, which gives us a bullish signal, and then the histogram is ready to cross. The TTM squeeze also kind of momentum reversing here. So keep an eye on that. We are below VWAP, so we want to get above VWAP, then kind of go up, come down right here, and then push up. Very nice. Very nice leg up there. We do have room to 192, and then $2 natural resistance. And we got 210, 220. Every 10 cents is what we're looking at the stock to move. So let's keep an eye on that. All right, if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper than GRTX and VXRT, this is probably your best bet. UXIN, choppy. Let's see here. How do you feel about the sell at market open for buyback lower? On what stock, Adam? Oh, okay, you said right there. VXRT looking mint this morning. Would love to hear your thoughts on VXRT. Okay, let's go back to VXRT. I think I covered it already, but maybe you came in kind of late. Okay, so VXRT, we can see the charts here. All right, I said we hit top of $10 resistance. So it needs to hold this VWAP or it's going to sell off. MACD's crossing. Needs to hold this VWAP right here. What we can do is draw this trend line right here. If it can't break above this trend line, I'm probably going to come down to about this support area or else the 200 EMA. But there it goes, breaking. I think it's going to get shorted at $10 again. We did have a nice volume candle there, but we do have a lot of resistance here at $10. So if it was me, I would take some off the table about now, and then if it breaks below, I would sell the rest. If it goes above 10, then I would just kind of ride it until it breaks some sort of trend. But let's see. Okay, candle open just above the trend there, so looking good. Okay. We're gonna have our next resistance. If we can get it above 10, we can. Our next resistance is gonna be about 1050, 1060. But we need to get above 10. It's gonna be a little tough. I think it's gonna get shorted at $10. Yeah, it's having resistance there. Let's see. The volume did come in. We need to blow up 10. We need to blow 10. If we get through 10 and come right back, it's not a good sign. So we need to keep an eye on that. Okay, bits are stacking up right here. Get a little bit of selling pressure. All right. There it is, 1021, 1025. Okay, looking good. We stay above 10. We have room 1050. And then 1060 would be the next resistance area. But let's see. Yeah, and the way you play this, because I mean it could go either way. So I always like to lock some up right there where it's indecisive, and then you know sell on the rip. Or if it were to go down, at least you locked up profit, and if it dips, you sell the rest. It's always been a little bit, have a game plan, be cautious. There's 1050s coming up. 1050, 1050. Next is 1060. Next resistance, 1060. 1060, next resistance. All right, man, you got it. Do me a favor, man, if you could share 1060 right there. If you can share the channel and tell your fellow traders about this, I would greatly appreciate it. I've been trading for a while, but I'm just starting a YouTube because people kind of requested it. But $10.66. I think we're gonna have some resistance there. This area is resistance 10.75. Woo! Volume's coming in. Volume's coming in. I would lock something up around this area, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Nobody goes broke taking profits. Nobody goes broke taking profits. We have some resistance there. Look at, oh, that one plummeted down. METX. Yeah. UXID. VXRT is the best one. VXRT is the best one right now. All right, 1080. 1084. Okay, we're breaking resistance. All right, next natural resistance is going to be $11. $11. Next natural resistance, $11. Remember, whole dollars are always natural resistance. That's where traders look to sell. 1086. Let's see if we can hold this 10. We need to hold 1050. 1050 support. We need to stay above 1050. 1050 is a support area. $10.55, $10.56. Yeah, so what I like to do is I scale out every time it's hitting new resistance. I sell some, and see if we can go to the next resistance. I sell some more because it's not going to go on forever. I was locking profits. You can always get back in, on a dip. $10.56. It's holding 10.50 so far. Oof. Okay, 10.45, 10.40. It's losing a little bit of volume there. Okay, might come and test VWAP now. Anything else moving? Everything's coming down. Oh, COV. This one's moving up. That's room to 13. 12 for natural resistance and 12, 13. Let's go back to VXRT, see what's happening. Okay, holding 1050. We're right back up. See, it as soon as we went below, it just got bought right back up. So let's see. Let's see. It's gonna be tough right here. Bulls and the Bears. 1070. We did double top here at 1086. So if we hit 1086 again, can't break it, it's gonna be tough. We'll have a triple top. So we need to break 1086. 1086. We need to break that. Yeah, we can't get through that 1086. We're gonna more than likely we're gonna come and test around VWAP. The VWAP area. SPY looking good, making new highs. 420, so the market looking great. XRT. XRT. Bouncing off that 10 EMA. If you have a 10 EMA, I have it on my other screen. I just like to keep the screen clean where you guys can see. But there's a 10 EMA, and that's bouncing right off of it. It's kind of right in it. But I think we break it, we're going to see VWAP. Okay. Hitting VWAP now. Okay, come on. Let's bounce off this VWAP. We should bounce off this VWAP and get at least 30 cents here. Let's go. I did get some right there at that VWAP. Just trying to get a scalp here real quick. What do you think of BNGO? All right, I'll take a look at it. Give me 1 second. Let this puppy run back up real quick. All right, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. You're almost there. You're almost there. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, VXRT. You can do this. BNGO. Did BNGO have news? Let me look at it at the screen real quick. Geo. Oh, BNGO. Oh, broke support. 680. All right, I just got filled. Okay, BNGO. Just got a scalp there on the XRT. Yeah, BNGO. Not looking good. Does BNGO have news? No news that I can see. Yeah, this was not looking good, but it is hitting some bottom support here on these levels. 670, 670, 680 area. Okay, so yeah, if you're holding, you might as well hold a little bit more because we're hitting this bottom right here. As long as we don't break above 675, break below 675, I think, you know, it has to have some sort of bounce here, maybe up to VWAP. But yeah, kind of have a plan and don't let it get below 675. It's getting close. Now, what you can do is on the 1 minute candle, 676. Yeah, 675. If a candle closes below 675, it's a no go. It does have room to come down. 640. I don't know if this is a long term play or maybe you're looking to get a bounce or. Uh, I'm from Texas, man. Texas 672. Yeah, not looking good, man. Not looking good. I don't know if you're in this or you're just looking to get some sort of a bounce, but this was not looking good. Let's go to VXRT. Oh, VXRT made a new high. Came right to VWAP. It made a new high. Nice. VXRT. Oh, it wants more. It definitely wants more. Yeah. $11, maybe. Uh, I think it's getting up there, guys. Yeah, charts are gonna start piling up on this one. They're probably in already, and they're probably averaging up to 11 if it gets there. But yeah, one of the things of going long is you need to know how the shorts thing as well. You got to know their strategies. You got to know how they where they're getting in, how they're thinking, because stocks it's a tug of war, man. It's whoever wins. You know, the bulls are pressing, the shorts are pressing, and whoever wins the battle. And 11 is just a natural resistance. Plus, we're getting up there on the daily. You can see we have resistance there on those lines. I don't know if you can even see the lines that I have. Like, I have them kind of dark. Maybe I should make them. Maybe I should make them brighter where you guys can see them. I like my charts. If I start seeing too many lines, it drives me nuts. I like to keep them kind of clean. And VIV, come on, man. I'm swinging this one, so that's what I'm talking about. Farming Little Rat had an offering today. XRT. Uh, oh, long term VNGO. Okay. All right, man. BXRT still holding, man. You got 500 at 540. On what, BNGO? At 540? Okay. So here, let me hide my face really quick. I'm gonna show you something. No. Okay. Sorry about that, man. Yeah, I think when I take my this picture off, you couldn't hear me. Yeah, dang it. I was talking to myself. Yeah, I was saying that um whenever there's earnings, people kind of buy the stock up and then sell it the day of earnings because they don't want to be holding. They don't want to hold. They don't want to gamble on earnings day. Most investors, they'll play the hype, even if there's rumor there's going to be good earnings, and then the day of earnings, it sells off because they want to take their. They don't want to gamble their profits. They want to take them. And so, kind of the hype of when there's rumors about a stock, and a certain day something's gonna happen, you kind of ride that momentum, that news until the day that it's gonna happen, and that day, the stock will sell off a high percentage of the time. So kind of this one just wrote the momentum, wrote the hype, and now that they have earnings, you know, they don't want to hold. VXRT, VXRT still kind of moving sideways, man. So we have to watch this MACD. If it crosses below, histogram losing momentum, TTM squeeze, also losing momentum. We'll see, man. This thing could squeeze. It could squeeze the bears. There's shorts definitely at $11. Let's see if they. Oh, there it is. Let's see if they can get squeezed, or they're gonna, or it's gonna crash and burn down. Yeah, there it is. The $11. Uh, there's the $11 shorts piling up heavily on there. Yeah, there it is. So that, I mean, that's exactly what I was saying. Like, uh, shorts in that area, they were in already. You know, they're in and they're waiting for that $11, and right there, they're just gonna go in heavy. Yeah. So right here, this 10-15 area has to hold, man, or this thing's gonna come all the way down to the 200 moving average, 983. So right here has some support around. Uh, oh, it's breaking now. No, it's breaking. No more support there. Yeah, you gotta think like a bear too. You gotta think like a short. So uh, they gotta eat too, man. Longs, we make our money going up, but they make their money going down. That's all they do. They short stocks. They know the levels where the stock's gonna have resistance, and that's where they pile up. And if there's more of them than than us, then guess what the stock is gonna do? It's gonna go down. It's a tug of war. So where it works, and they're seeing the same thing we're seeing. I mean, they're looking at the resistance. They're looking at the momentum. They're looking at the volume. They're looking at the tape, the time of sales. I mean, so you can kind of see where the stock is heading. So about 975. 975, we have some trend line support there. Let's see if we can hold it. If it doesn't, this thing's gonna come and see the 200 moving average around 930. So yeah, it's coming down. So yeah, so you have. I don't have the RSI on this chart. Yeah, I don't have it. But on my chart, I have the RSI too, and we were up there uh, with VXRT. Yeah, if I put it here, let me see if I can put it. I mean, it's gonna make the chart smaller for you guys to see, but let me put the RSI so I can explain something. What's going on? It doesn't want to put it. Oh my gosh. This is TD Ameritrade. The the platform's called Thinkorswim, the TD Ameritrade. But look at the RSI here. So what happens is the stock is making new highs, okay, but the RSI is making lower lows. Okay, so that's called RSI divergence, and that's a bearish sign. So that's another reason why, you know, I knew shorts were gonna load up on his because they see that. Okay, so the stock is making new highs, but the RSI is making lower. See, if this had momentum to the upside, the RSI would be making new highs with the stock. But instead of making new highs, like over here where it made a new high, and then right here it made a new high, but it made a lower low on the RSI. So that's RSI divergence, meaning it's a very bearish indication that the stock, okay, is just going to trap the longs. And what's the downside? So I added the RSI. Hopefully it doesn't take too much away from the screen. But yeah, that's what's happening. And so now we're holding. This is my 3 minute on this side. We're holding that trend line, so it needs to hold. If we can't get a bounce off of here, we're gonna go down to test this the open here around 960. We can't hold that. We're gonna go all the way to the 200 EMA, and that's where shorts. They'll write that thing down all the way to 200 EMA. They're gonna scale out just the way we do. They're gonna take some off here. Protect some of their capital. If it breaks, they'll probably end up selling here at the 200 EMA. That's where they're going to look to get out, and that's where longs are looking to get in as well. So we'll see what happens. RSI is coming down, but let's see if we hold this trend right here. So shorts are definitely going to cover some right there. I don't think they'll get completely out. So it's going to be a battle there. METX is leading right now. Oh, nice move, METX. TPW, what are you doing? $296 and now it's down. Nice move on METX, man. Nice curl up right there. Held the 200. METX definitely missed this one. We're at the top now. I mean, it's going to come down. But come around $2, that would be a good entry. It's hitting this. Oh, what happened to my chart? Yeah, it's hitting this trend already in the 4 hour. So definitely, I think we've hit top on METX and gonna come down. SPY also coming down. Where are you from, Adam? Are you from Texas as well? What state? One of the things I like about Texas, man, is you never really have a winter. I used to be in I used to live in Michigan when I was smaller, and the winter was horrible. Yeah, METX looking for this bounce here on VWAP. Let me issue. Okay, so I'm looking for a dip here on METX. Definitely missed the run, man. Wasn't paying attention. I didn't have it on my charts. Okay, so we're looking for METX to come test VWAP. I'm gonna edit this. 11, 20. Hmm. Okay, another one moving up is CAPR. CAPR does have news. Signs an exclusive worldwide license agreement with Johns Hopkins University. All right. CPR. BNGO making a recovery. Yeah, it's above VWAP. Let's see if BNGO can hold VWAP now and hold. Probably get up to 695. It can hold VWAP, and then it's probably gonna. Yeah, I think it's still gonna downtrend the rest of the day. Just my opinion. I think it's gonna probably it's gonna bounce off this trend line. I don't know if today will come all the way down or tomorrow. I mean, yeah, tomorrow's Friday, right? Where are you from, Adam? Pixie. Um, CPR looking good. Testing. Oh, Canada. Sweet, man. Toronto, Canada. How's the COVID-19 over there? Is everything still closed? Are you guys opening up? CAPR is grinding, man. 518 new high. XRT finding support there at 9.59. EXIN trying again. Damn. Yeah, in the US, everything kind of starting to reopen. Kind of getting back to, I would say, kind of normal. I mean, as closest to normal as it used to be. Not 100%, but a lot better than when we were. Definitely. Okay, METX here. Let's see if we can test VWAP and have a nice bounce. How did you find this channel, man? Was it Facebook? Were you just browsing through YouTube and found this channel, or? Sweet, man. Smart move. Yeah, I just started doing it this week, man. Just for fun. Just my. I have a son who would like this kind of stuff, and he's always telling me, "Dad, get on YouTube, do something other than talk to yourself." Yeah, when I'm trading, man, I just talk to myself. He says he's gonna start a channel too, so kind of learning the ins and outs and maybe help him out how to run this social media stuff. Ah, MT is bounced. It's bouncing already. It didn't come touch VWAP. Okay, it's done. Dang it, it's done. Yeah, dang it. Yeah. I missed it by a penny. There it is. I mean, once the move gets done, you don't want to go for it again. Next time it comes to VWAP, it's probably gonna crack. But there's 15 cents right there. There you go, man. Yeah, we kind of have a challenge going on. Uh, I told him I could get 100 subscribers in in a month. He told me it was impossible. We'll see. So we kind of have this bit going on, but man, Miss METX, give me a second. I need to log in. Just something real quick. Yeah, my younger son's having award ceremonies through Zoom. He's actually in school already, but the parents cannot go to the awards. We have to do it through Zoom. So let me log in real quick and see. METX, look at you, man. Made a new high without me. That's the way it goes. Give me 1 second. Ah. Uh, how long you been trading? Do you day trade? Do you swing more? What is it that you do? Oh, METX. The XRT held support there at on 960 area on that trend line that we talked about earlier. So METX bounced. CAPR. CAPR just bouncing off that VWAP. Bounce here at 9, bounce here at 924. So it's right in that. Yeah. Look at METX. We got a signal buy here. So the way I use some of this signal buys that I put together is my strategy. Um, is when you get a signal, you load up on this candle, and basically your stop loss will be right underneath that candle. But I mean, your risk to reward on this type of signals, they're they're awesome, man. I mean, you just write this thing up, take profits up, and your stop loss is, very close to where you got in. And you might see a few of this a day. If this thing trends down and then gets back up, you'll get another signal. Um, I've been burned a few times, lost a bunch of stuff. Oh, GME. Yeah, GME was very volatile, man. GME was volatile. I made money on GME on some contracts. Got them super cheap, and that thing ran. METX still doesn't want to give up. Sammy. What's up, man? What's up, Sammy? Welcome to the new channel, man. This is where you want to be. A brand new channel here. If you want to learn, stick around, man. Tell you guys all my strategies. How to view the market. Go for it, man. Ask the question. I already missed the train on the METX. I was waiting for this bounce, the VWAP, and I missed it by 1 cent. So that's just the way it goes. You just started 2 days ago. Okay. What's the question, bro? For sure, man. What are you using? What platform are you using? Are you on Webull? Are you on Robinhood? Everybody has to start somewhere, just like I'm doing on YouTube. Brand new, man. Don't know anything about YouTube. I'm learning along the way. But guess what? I do know how to do is stocks. So I'm new to YouTube. Maybe get some help along the way, and in return, I'll teach you stocks. I use trading views, paper money. Okay, awesome, man. That's a good start. Um, that you paper trade. You see this? You don't want to use real money when you're beginning and losing, because more than likely you are gonna lose, man. You are gonna lose if you're just beginning, and it's. I say like this. So let's say you know you're just you've never played basketball before, and then you all of a sudden you want to play, and you want to play against LeBron James, or you want to play against, you have a brand new team that you put off, some friends, and you want to play the Lakers. I mean, you're playing with elite players, and you're gonna get crushed. And that's what happens with the stock market, man. If you're brand new, you got to learn it first. I mean, people come in here and just throw money, and they're gonna lose it because they're competing against elite players, you know. Uh, and so you're gonna get crushed. They're gonna take your money away. That's what's gonna happen. So paper trading, it's a good start, Sam. It's a very good start. I paper traded when I started as well. So nothing wrong with that. Learn to read the charts. Learn how to, um, you know, trend lines, RSIs, volume, everything that we have in this chart. Just learn as much as you can. Learn the psychology of trading as well. There's a book. There's a book that I recommend, and it's called um, what is it called? Uh, I went blank, man. What is that book I always read? Oh, I got it over here. Hold on. Oh, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. There you go. I went blank. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. All right, I recommend that book. Okay, if you don't want to read, you can audio. Get an audio on Amazon, or I think it's even available on YouTube. You can find it, and it basically trains your mind on how to see the stock market. It's a lot of it's psychology. You know, a lot of it's just psychology. You got to learn to train your brain um, to how everybody else is thinking. Because you ain't playing by yourself. You're playing against elite players. It's kind of like, you know, Tom Brady when he's on the football field. He needs to learn how to read the defense to be successful. And quarterbacks can read defense are the most successful quarterbacks there is. And so the same thing with stock trading. When you learn to read how the shorts are thinking, because there's two players in this market. There's the people going short that are shorting the stock, that are betting against the stock to go down, and then there's the longs, people that are buying the stock to go up. And so that's the reason why the stock goes up and down. Give me 1 second. Allow. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I'm on a Zoom meeting for my son's school. Here, let me. Trading in the Zone. Yeah, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. I think you can find it on YouTube too. I'm gonna put my headphones so I can hear when they mention when they mention my son's name. All right. So I want everybody to clap for him. All right. All the two subscribers that I have in my YouTube channel. Okay, hold on. He's in 3rd grade, so it's a young kid. I have an older son too. Oh, now I paired to my other iPad. Sorry, guys. I have 2 iPads. I need to disconnect from this one now.